Hey everyone, welcome to the part 17 of report building in Power BI. In this demonstration, we are going to have a look at the roles in Power BI. So roles in row level security, that topic we are going to have a look at. So roles basically are used to restrict the data at data access at row level. Okay, and this is useful when different users should be allowed to see the different slices of data. Okay, so we actually define roles in our Power BI desktop, and over here actual security is not applied. It will be applied when you take your report, publish your report on Power BI service, and there you share your report. So while sharing the report, you have to also assign the role to the particular people. Okay, so you can assign them as all the roles, or you can assign them any row level security roles. So it's a two-way portion. In Power BI desktop, we actually set up and manage the roles, create the roles, manage the roles. And in case of Power BI, the roles that we have defined, and we use them to give the users, what different users can do with the workspace. Those access we give. Okay, so let us have a look how we can actually apply the roles. So here we have to go in the modeling tab, and under the modeling tab you can see that there are these two options, roles and view as. Okay, so right now I have not assigned any role, so it is going to show me the default role and other user. Okay, so there is nothing that I have defined yet. So now let us define some roles. So here, based on the uh, data that we have, let us assign the roles based on different kind of continents that we have. Okay, so different continents or different regions that we have, based on those we assign the roles. So suppose, let us have a look, like under the regions we have various regions like North America, Pacific, Europe. So if a role is selected as Europe, so only details related to Europe will be shown on the charts. All right, so let me show you one and then it will be more clear. So click on manage roles, and here you create a new role. Okay, so you can rename it. Suppose I want to rename it as Europe. Okay, and here you have to apply the data. So from the territory lookup table, you have to take up, copy table from here, add a new filter data, and here you can use the column continent from the territory lookup table, and when the column is equal to Europe. Okay, please make sure that you have to use the exact spelling. Okay, so here if the column is uh, is Europe, then you have to show the data related to Europe. Okay, you can save this. Okay, and similarly you can assign other roles. So let us assign 2 3 roles and then we will have a look. So under this you can also assign the role as Pacific. Please have a look at the details in the column, so they will help you assign the roles when the continent is equal to Pacific. Okay, so suppose these are the 2 roles that we have assigned, and let us close it. And when I say view as, then it is going to show me all the roles that I have created. So suppose I filter everything according to Europe. So when I click Europe, you can notice over here, now viewing as Europe, I think there is some spell error or something in Europe. Yeah, you can see over here. Okay, so everything is filtered out according to Europe region. All right, so this is how this thing works. You assign a role, and according to the role, everything will be visible only related to those details. Okay, nothing additional will be visible to them. And this thing is not functional in Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop is the place where you actually create the role. And in Power BI service, actually, you assign the role to different individuals so that they only see the stuff that is visible to their role.